Alright guys, so you can see the car's up on a jack stand. We're going to be changing up the exhaust today. We're changing from the hood stack just because I want to get paint on this sometime in the future, and when you start it up, all the condensation is going to come out the exhaust, go over the paint, which is not really a big deal now because it's flat black, but whenever it gets some decent paint on there, it'll look kind of bad. So we're going to be changing it up. Alright guys, so there's where the turbo is now and the exhaust. Plan on shooting the exhaust out that way. Then it's going to run down the fender that way and out the bumper. Now, I'm also doing this so it has a little more street manners. It's not too obnoxiously loud. And we're going to be putting a little muffler on there, so that'll be sounding kind of cool. So the little muffler we're going to be sticking in the fender is a 12-inch, 3-inch in, 3-inch out, Summit Racing glass pack. I figure this should do the trick and quiet it down, but not too much. So, let's get started. So as you just heard, that was what it sounds like now. We're going to compare the two at the end of the video. But so to start off, I think we're going to be pulling that exhaust off. We're going to have to cut a hole down in there and then turn that and maybe relocate the O2 sensor. So I got the hole cut. We're going to have to cut down the hood stack because it comes out a little too far. We're going to have to cut that back a couple inches. As you just saw, we cut the hood stack part out, made it shorter. Now we're going to weld this pie cut elbow to the glass pack. Got where I want the exhaust to come out at marked right here, so we're probably going to cut that out next. Alright guys, so I just got the hole cut. I still have to clean it up a little more, but there it is. Here's the tip that's going to go in there. It'll be set back in a little farther than that, but that's what we're going for. Alright guys, this is what we have so far. Trying to mock stuff up right now. Everything's just tack welded for the most part. We had to shorten the glass pack up a little bit to shorten this section up. So now we're gonna test fit some more and make a couple tweaks. Alright guys, so it's starting to snow, so real quick, final mock up with the tack welds. Everything's getting all wet, but looking pretty good. So next we're going to weld all those up, and then sometime I have to weld back in the O2 sensor bung. Alright guys, so as you just saw, got this all welded up. Next, we're going to drill a hole for the O2 sensor and weld the bung in for it. Then after that, we're going to hit it with some high temp paint so it looks nice. and then we're going to throw it in the car so we can hear it. Alright guys, so we just got this painted. This is some high temp barbecue grill paint made by Rust-Oleum. I'll put a picture right there. It's cheap and it's high temp, so that's why we're using it. We got the bung welded in for the O2 sensor. Now we're going to throw it in the car. Alright guys, so there it is. You heard it. You make the decision if it sounds better or not. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you like this video, and subscribe if you want to see more.